Please rise. Nabiyan.
Okay. Then we will have thank you very much, the BSN faculty. Thank you. Then we have the Bachelor of Special Needs Education faculty members. Thank you very much. Then we have the Bachelor of Early Childhood Education faculty. Okay. Then of course we have our special guest faculty members, our faculty in the graduate school. We have our coordinating dean, Dr. Yvonne Ramos, and of course the coordinator of the graduate school, Dr. Arnel Madraso. Thank you very much. Okay. And of course, not to forget the other group, the Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education faculty. Okay. So, now that we have here the members of the faculty, let's call our students from the BEd, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education, the Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, the Bachelor of Secondary Education, the Bachelor of Special Needs Education students. Now that everybody is set, as the power vested in me as Dean of the College of Teacher Education, I have the honor to declare this College of Teacher Education Fest 2025 open! Let the Battle of Stars begin! Good luck to each and everyone.
Alright, as we continue to celebrate the spirit of innovation and excellence here at the CTA Fest 2025, it is my honor to introduce a leader whose dedication, passion, and vision have shaped the direction of this remarkable event. Now, to help us better understand the vision and purpose behind this celebration of learning and leadership, let's welcome our very own Mayor, Miss Nishreen Kabilang. A round of applause, please.
Of Teacher Education! Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, dear students and honored guests, good day everyone. It is with great pride and deep admiration that I stand before you today for the grand celebration of the City Fest 2025, a dynamic and meaningful event organized by the College of Teacher Education, College Student Council of Western Mindanao State University. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the City Student Council and the entire college community for organizing the Festival of Talents, Skills, and Unity. Your dedication in bringing this event to life is a shining example of leadership, collaboration, and excellence in action. City Fest is more than a celebration. It is a powerful statement. It shows how the teaching profession, often called the noblest of all, begins with passion, creativity, and strong sense of community. From the vibrant parade to the intellectual battles of the literary competition, from high-energy pop dance and yell competitions to cultural celebrations through Laro ng Lagi, this program showcases not only student abilities but also the essence of being a teacher and leader. As your mayor, I am truly proud to witness how events like this shape well-rounded individuals, empowering, expressive, and ready to inspire. These experiences go beyond the classroom. They help mold responsible citizens and passionate leaders who will one day guide the next generation. Once again, congratulations to the organizers, participants, and supporters of the City Fest 2025. May this event continue to remind us of the power of unity, education, and youth in building a better future. Congratulations, everyone, and welcome to the City Fest 2025, the Battle of the Stars.
Thank you so much, Nish. Now we request our different competitors from the literary competitions. You may now proceed to our college. But first, we will now have our first set of awards, which would be the most vibrant and the most cheerful crowd during the parade. Let me hear you say oh! Say eh! Very good, children. Now, let's award the most vibrant. Congratulations! Congratulations to... Congratulations to Leo! Please proceed and come to stage, please.
Sila yung batch ko, sila ba? Ito lang, sa isip. Mag-post na lang. So, medical biology. Tatlo man yung right? Biological.
Yeah, this is for one competition.
Okay, for example,
So, one by one start, for example, hindi pa tapos ang banner competition. Magkita na kasi ng pagtuna ha. Kasi yung mga participants natin for this is part sila na yan. Claro? Stay here but don't start muna. Hi,
just organizing today.